Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am playing MM2 again. Okay, I got my ramen. In the meantime. What? I think bro, what is this? Oh my goodness, whatever. Okay, if you see, I got a new gun. If you guys did not notice. Round. Bro, why? Bro, I'm like smashing my table right now. Whatever. Okay, if I jump, I'm gonna lose my mind because this is super spicy. There's even like I don't even know what is on this, but it's super spicy. My brother, we like have a lot of hot sauce, and like my dad and mom love the hot sauce. So yeah. Okay, guys, I'm bad at MM2. Okay, I need to find the gun. Oh, shoot. And I jumped. I literally jumped. Oh my goodness. Let me eat ramen. Okay. I need to go get some water. Good thing I have some water next to me. Okay. Does it still count if I die? Oh no, the video's about jumping. Okay. Should I guys you again for like one more time? Okay, let me try. Oh, I just like eat like so much, so tiny. It's like oh, I'm going to go get some milk. Good thing I have a small refrigerator. My sister loves milk, so yeah. Okay. I jumped twice. I literally jumped twice. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Okay, let me add up. Oh my god, spicy. I know there's like a lot of like red things, and there's like I don't know where my brother put it. He loves spicy stuff. But not too much. I'm like staring into their soul just in case to say why. Why did you have to kill me, bro? I'm doing this for fun. Oh my goodness. I did say in the other video, you know, guys, what? Bro, why is she staring at me? Okay, I'll eat the ramen for like, just for fun, okay? Alright. I hope I get it. Oh! I just jumped. I literally just jumped. Oh my goodness, how many? Wait, let me count them. Wait. I'm literally counting how much. Like, the ramen is literally like almost done. Okay. Oh no, no, don't you dare. My life depends on this. I'm probably going to end the video early today. Get back here! Oh my god, oh my, Mom! I'm gonna scream, Mom. Please don't play. Oh, good. Is there a hacker or something? What? No, please. I'm just gonna get like a chunk. No, he didn't even have the gun on him. Oh my goodness! Okay, wait. I need water!